Hi folks, Matt Smith with Smith Sales Company Auctioneers. Here we have a Bobcat 825 skid steer. This does have a third valve. The foot control for the third valve is in the bucket. This previous owner never used it, so they just took it out so they'd have more room for their feet. Looks like about a 66-inch bucket, and it has the quick connect. Now I just drove this over here from the front. It's blowing a little smoke now, but I did have this warmed up earlier, and once it warms up, that smoke pretty much quits. This is a one owner, one family machine. The LED lights work. If you are in the market for a nice little skid steer that's been taken care of its whole life, this will be sold the 11th of May. It's located here in Miles City, Montana. And thanks for looking.